Have you ever paused to consider the importance of clean water and sanitation? Why does it matter anyway? Well, here's a brain teaser for you. Which of the following is the most dangerous to humans? Sharks, lightning, or dirty drinking water? If you guessed dirty drinking water, you're right. Contaminated water can harbor diseases such as cholera, dysentery, and typhoid, which can be deadly without proper treatment. Now here's a sobering fact. Do you know how many people in the world do not have access to clean and sanitary toilets? It's a staggering 1 in 3. Lack of sanitation facilities can lead to the spread of diseases and infections, posing significant health risks. So, how much water is necessary for human survival? The answer is between 8 to 15 liters a day. This includes water for drinking, cooking, and personal hygiene. And while we're on the topic of water, have you heard of hydroelectric power? It's electricity produced using the energy of flowing or falling water from rivers, streams, and lakes. It's a renewable resource that doesn't contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. But here's a catch. Do you know how much of the world's water is fresh? It's less than 3%. And much of this is trapped in glaciers and snowfields, making it inaccessible for human use. Next up, let's talk about hydric stress. It's a term that refers to the situation when there are insufficient resources to meet our water needs. With climate change and population growth, more and more areas are experiencing hydric stress. Now, a simple question. To save water on a daily basis, is it better to take short showers or baths? If you said short showers, you're correct. A full bathtub can use up to 70 liters of water, while a 5-minute shower uses only 10 to 25 liters. Did you know that the UN International Decade on Clean Water and Sanitation enabled 1.3 billion people to have access to clean water? It's a significant achievement, but there's still much work to be done. Here's a shocking fact. 90% of wastewater from human activity is discharged back into the rivers and seas without being treated. This not only pollutes our water sources, but also harms marine life. Lastly, what is the main use of the water that is taken from lakes, rivers, and aquifers? It's used for crop irrigation. Agriculture accounts for about 70% of global freshwater withdrawals. And on that note, it's time to wrap up our quiz. But before we do, remember that every drop of water counts. So conserve water, promote sanitation, and help make our planet a healthier place to live. The next time you turn on the tap, think about the millions of people who lack access to this basic necessity. Your actions can make a difference.